All right, another analysis in the SPY. Do you remember yesterday when I was recording a video? I said the price is open right on the support. I will be very attentive to entering call. As you can see, the price goes down, goes up. It was oscillating right on the support, and then appeared this bullish engulfing that involved the previous candle. In my trading plan, it is enter because it is above the support, plus it is bullish engulfing. I got it stop loss always below the candle right here. And when you see three solid green candle in row above the support, it is another enter in call stop loss. In this case, only in this scenario is below the support. In case the price goes down, we must accept losses, and the price goes up. I exit in this level because this candle ending in weak rejection. I exit right here. However, this price kept going up, but I exit this level because for me it is enough. I took profit, and like I said, the price continued going up, go a little bit, made a pullback right in the resistance, goes up, and it pulled back right in the resistance, but this resistance now became in support. And from here, another bullish engulfing, as you can see, because involved the previous candle, and the price was going up. However, in this point, the price failed and go down again in the support. I can change the color in green to identify the support. Right here, goes up, goes down, and right now, Friday, May 16, the price open with this big red candle, and from here the price goes down. This is important resist support. I'm gonna make it more bigger. If the price goes down right here, I will be attentive to enter in call only if I see a bullish engulfing. My stop loss right below the support. On the other hand, if the price goes down, make a breakout right here, this level automatically is going to become in resistance. If the price, let me show you in daily candle. In daily candle, I got my resistance level right above the candle. If the price continue going down, sorry, up, see, if the price continue going up, I got my resistance level. I'm gonna make it more. I'm gonna make it more clear right here. I'm gonna remove this level. I'm gonna remove this level too. Um, Now I got only my support and my resistance in the level 597. If the price goes up, here will be my exit. But Probably today we can see three scenarios. The price can stay sideways, or the price can go up, or the price can go down. And as a trader, as a job is, do not chase any trade. Instead, we must wait like a tiger waiting for its prey. We must be patient to because the market always offer opportunities. If you identify these opportunities, you're gonna take advantage of the trade. And as I say, this is my support.